In today's workplace, we notice the same pattern repeating itself. Employees begin with full of energy, excitement and enthusiasm, but somewhere in a month or few, that fire slowly fades away. Hi, I'm Shantanu. Today let's talk about something every workplace struggling with, why most employees lose motivation and how to fix it. When people join a new company, they usually come with a lot of hope and ambition. But that motivation doesn't disappear overnight. It fades slowly, silently through everyday experience. Let me share a simple story with you all. A young employee named Ria joined a company with big dream. She was proactive, full of ideas, eager to grow. But month after month, her efforts went unnoticed. She was doing good work, but no one appreciated. No one said, "Well done, Ria." No one guided her. No one showed her a path of learning. Slowly, she stopped trying. Not because she was lazy, because she was felt invisible. This story is more common than we think. Let's understand the core reason why does it happen and search the answer for why. Reason number 1, lack of recognition. People don't need rewards and awards every week. They just need to know that their works matter. A simple appreciations like "good job," "well done" can fuel them for an entire week. Reason number 2, no clarity. Most employees lose interest not because of their hard work, because they don't know what exactly expected. Before someone expects the outcome, they should give a clarity what is expected or how success is measured. Reason number 3, limited growth. If employees don't see a future, they stop investing in the present. No skill training, no new challenges, no growth plan is equal to no motivation. Reason number 4, poor managers. Employees don't leave companies, they leave their managers who micromanage, don't communicate, don't trust, even don't support. A manager can either spark the motivation or they can kill the motivation. Reason number 5, emotional overload. High workload, constant pressure, no appreciation, even no emotional intelligence in the culture. This combination drains even the best performer. Enough discussion on reasons. Let's find out how to fix it. How to build that motivation that lasts longer. Motivation is not a gift, it's a system, a workplace environment, a leadership practice. Let's look at what actually works. Clear communication. Motivation increases when employees understand what they need to do, why their work matters, and how it impacts in a bigger picture. Even a weekly 10 minutes clarity conversation can change performance. Recognition. Recognition doesn't mean shouting their names in a meeting. It means, "Hey, I saw your effort. Thank you so much." A personal, timely, and specific appreciation can change so many things. People repeat behavior that get appreciated. Empowerment. Motivation grows when employees feel trusted. Allow them to take decisions, own a task, and innovate. Motivation builds confidence and responsibility. Focus on strengths. Instead of constantly correcting weaknesses, help employees use their strength more often. Remember, people stay motivated when they work on what they are good at. Growth conversation. Every employee should know what next they need to do, what skill they should build, and how they can grow here. Growth is fuel, and without fuel, even the best employee slows down. Motivation is not something you give once. It's something you build daily. A leader, a manager, or a trainer will need to create a workplace where people should feel they are seen, heard, valued, and supported. Because when employees feel valued, they give their best, not out of their fear, not out of the pressure, but out of the purpose and the responsibility. So, if you are an employee, feel demotivated, remember it's not your fault. Motivation is deeply connected to the work environment you are working in. And if you are a leader watching this, start small. One appreciation, one clarity conversation, one growth plan, even one supportive movement can reignite someone's entire career. Motivation doesn't disappear, it just needs the right spark. Employee don't stop caring, they stop feeling cared for. And the day we understand that is the day motivation stops spreading.